Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today we will learn about the basics in data modeling and how we can design and create the data model. Here, modeling of data in Power BI is very important to create a good data model. There are multiple tables present in Power BI. We could get relationship between two tables. A data model shows the relationship between these tables. Coming to StarKip, it is one of the popular method for organizing our data model. It is called the star schema because of the shape the data is organized. It is the popular method of simplifying the data model. So here the center one is known as the fact table and these ones are known as dimension tables. So the tables here are organized in dimensions and fact tables. Fact tables means things that are happening at a certain time. For example, observational or event data values, sales orders like this come under fact table. Coming to dimension tables, details about the data in the fact tables. For example, weight of the sold products. These come under the data dimension table. Other examples for the dimension tables are product dimensions like product name, price, country of the production, etc. And date dimensions like month, year, day or week, etc. Location dimensions like location, country, city, address, store size, etc. These come under date dimensions. So let us learn how to create the relationship by using Power BI desktop app. So let us go into Power BI. Here first let me open model view here and we need to create relationship between stores, sales and products. All the other tables we can simply hide by clicking on the I button. So let us click the I button and hide the other tables. Only the tables we want to create relationship, let us not hide them and let's hide remaining tables that are not necessary now. Let us create a relationship between this sales and store table. Here this is known as store ID in the sales is known as foreign key and the store ID in the stores is known as primary key. Sales, this sales table is the main table. We are creating the relationship between this sales table and the stores. This is how we create the relationship. Here we have one to many relationship. This I will explain later. And how to here we can create the relationship by in products table, product ID and product ID in sales table. This is how we create the relationship. Let us go to now reports view. Let us delete all these ones that are present. Let us delete this table. See. From the sales table, click on sorry, here. We should not hide this. This relationship is not necessary, so let us delete. Right click and select delete. Go to report view, sales, stores, go to stores. Click on type, drag and drop, and from here sales, click on order ID. We can get relationship here. Change the type here to count. We can see here the type and number of orders, count on the orders, and we can get total value here. Thus the relationships are used to get the relationship. So here if we right click here, we will learn about cardinalities here. Click on properties. See here cardinality is present. There are three types of cardinalities: many to one to one, and one to many. One to one, and here also there are cross filter direction is also is there. One to one, cross filter direction is always single. We use cross filter direction as both in some special cases only. Most of the cases here it is present as single only. This is about this. And cardinality: many to one, one to many to many. Four types of cardinalities are present here. We can select the by default we get, or we can select the cardinality here and click on OK. Basing on the relationship, we should select the cardinalities, whether it is one to one relationship or many to one or many to many, or by selecting these ones we have to select the cardinality. This is about the relationship. Now let me explain how to create date table using Power Query. Go to transform data to open the Power Query window. Now here we can to create the date table in using Power Query editor. Here right click, new query, select on blank query. A blank query will be opened. Here we should type the M formula to create the date table. M formula is nothing but data transforming language. Here let us enter the M formula. Here list dates from the date it is starting, and here how many years we can select, how much list we want for 1 year or 2 years or any years you can select here. Here duration is month, date, time, seconds and minutes here, and click on enter. See here we get the list of dates. Here you can change it to date by clicking on two table present there. Click on OK. Here change this column name to date. You can change here type to date. It is already in date. Click on date. You can create other days. Click on add column. Here date option icon is available. Click on year table. You will get year table. To get the month table, click on here date, month. You will get month table. To get date table, click on here, click on date. This is how you get the date table using Power Query editor. Thank you.